for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but
so this is our room. This is upon entry. We have like a little wet bar. And we could use all of this. And they fill it back up. And this is the closet. Towels, slippers. Safe. Umbrella. Yeah. They have their beach towels that you take to the beach and you have to bring it back to your room so that I can switch it out. Now I'm walking. And this is the TV.
See, they're gonna have the DJ at 6 p.m.
And this is our deck. I'm gonna go there soon. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our little lounge area. And look at this, beautiful 2 swans kissing. Look at that. Very nice.
It's 94 degrees. Holy
Look
shit.
at the detail. And right here is access to the jacuzzi. And the jacuzzi is pretty big. The bathroom is pretty big. Close that up. I just love how they have the curtain.
Yeah.
That's so nice. And that's the mirror. And I'm gonna go from the main entrance to the bathroom. And there you see the jacuzzi again. They have double sinks. In our case, hers and hers. They have herbals, body wash, herbal sanitizer. Everything is herbal, which is pretty nice. Shoe polisher. A vanity kit, shower cap. I'm gonna need that. Now garbage can, and then they have the private toilet with the phone, of course. And that's the rug for the mat. Oh, and you push inwards. And this is the shower. And they supplied some stuff as well. Body wash. And that is our room tour. The champagne came with the anniversary package, and they have espresso maker. They have water, and everything has been cleaned and sanitized. I'm going to the deck. Okay, to my left, I've been drinking. How you get this open? Babe? Okay, turn it off. Slide. Easy. Huh? Shut up. And so this is our deck. I'm gonna show you from the corner. It is a pretty big deck. And this is our view. Just the little jungle that's back here. And then you have like access to other people's decks. But this is us. And this is where you hang your clothes that's wet. And yeah. I could go over there as well, but I don't feel like ducking under. And they have 2 chairs. And we're on the 3rd floor. So it's pretty cool. To the right, you can hear the pool area. It's not far. We're in building 2. And look at that. Look at that view. Oh, babe, they're teaching you how to Dougie. So, yeah.